Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, back again with the DJI Mini 3 Pro video, and this is how to attach and remove the DJI Mini 3 Pro camera guard, the DJI Mini 3 Pro camera protector, whatever you want to call it. And you'll notice with this camera protector, there's this tab piece, a single tab, and then the other side has these two, looks like two little posts. The two posts are going to go on the bottom. This is the top of the drone. So the first thing you want to do with clean hands without touching the lens, if your camera is orientated another way, you want to gently orientate it like this. Once it's orientated like that, then again with this single little hook piece, that's going to go to the top of the drone. And you may want to kind of hold it sideways so you can get a visual, but you want to gently push this in until it engages. Once you feel it engage in the top, that single hook, and it may take a little bit of practice, but once you feel it engage, then you can gently pull this, and again, emphasizing gently, you can gently pull this back to latch. So just make sure it's engaged. You'll feel it. You should feel it. And if, you know, just take your time. And you may find that it's easier to put the two pegs in first. It may be easier for you to put the two pegs in first and then snap the top piece in. See, now it's in. So the top piece is secured, the bottom piece is secured. And to take it off, all you do is gently pull on this and that releases it. Don't drop it. And the color of it would be easy to blend with grass or various ground conditions. So it's easy to pop on and off, but popping it on, again, with this single tab on the top, you want to gently engage it, and then once it's gently engaged there, you want to gently position those two in there so that it stays. So when you're traveling with it or whatever. And then boom, it's that simple. So we're going to do it one more time here. Again, this is... It takes, you know, gentle touch. Don't rush. Take your time, man. So gently push that in there. And then gently, again, it just takes practice. Now see, that one went on effortlessly. So that's how to remove and reattach the DJI Mini 3 Pro's gimbal protector, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's camera protector, whatever you want to call it. Hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to like this video, subscribe, ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. And check out all my DJI Mini 3 Pro videos. Check out my DJI Mini 3 Pro video playlist. And if you're shopping for the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the various bundles, the accessories, or maybe even another drone, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find them all there. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day.